What is EMI? EMI, or equated monthly installment, as the name suggests, is one part of the equally divided monthly outgoes to clear off an outstanding loan within a stipulated time frame, or EMI is just another fancy name of loan. How company trap you? Everyone want to be rich or look rich, but due to misconception many focus on look rich. Company take the advantage of it, play with mind and psychology of people, forcing them to buy their product on EMI. People get buried under debt knowingly or unknowingly. How to break this trap? Everyone is earning and learning in their life, but everybody not have financial and saving skills, not just to show off, but spend on what is necessary for you. Learn to calculate your spending to save more for investing in financial instrument. How to save? Make a habit to write your transaction during the day to understand your expenses. Make budget to reduce your useless expense. What is SIP? A systematic investment plan, more popularly known as SIP, is a facility offered by mutual fund to the investor to invest in a disciplined manner. So start with index fund because of its low risk and better return, and build huge corpus for you and your family. Kept money in bank is always a losing option, because money doesn't grow in trees,